Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to practice adding rational numbers. So let's think about rational numbers. Those are just positive and negative, but instead of whole numbers, they include fractions and decimals. So just think about fractions and decimals, and some of them are positive and some will be negative. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. It says simplify -7/5 plus -7/10. Now, if you notice, 7/5 is an improper fraction. I did this on purpose because it's okay to leave it like that. There's nothing you can do to simplify it unless your teacher tells you to. For me, it's acceptable. So you have -7/5 and -7/10. And so what we need to do first is get a common denominator, which it would be 10. So that means I double the denominator. I've got to double the numerator. Okay, now, the way I look at this is you're owed somebody some money twice. So you still owe them, so your sign will still be negative. You're going to add the numerators. You're going to keep the denominator. 17, that would be -21. And then you can... Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Honestly, it's just -2.1 because when you divide by 10, you show it by moving 1 over to the left. All right, so let's go to the next example. It says -3/2 plus 9/10. Okay, so we first have to get a common denominator regardless of what the sign is going to be. Now, this video is really geared more towards, you've already gone through 6th grade. Now you're just trying to refresh your memory and get the answer. So there's no models that I'm going to show you. I might throw in some tricks or shortcuts. First, my denominator needs to be the same. That doesn't change whether they're positive or negative. My denominator will be 10. That means 2 times 5 is 10. That means I have to 3 times 5 will be 15. I keep my sign, okay, and now I have 9/10. So the signs are different, and so what I'm going to do is find the difference, which would be 6/10. And so which one is farther from 0, which would be -15/2. A lot of times teachers say the bigger one. Well, it's not really bigger, it's just farther from 0, but if bigger helps you, just as long as you understand it's not literally. So this would be -6/10, which simplifies to -3/5 or -6/10 like that. All right, well, that's it. I hope it helped. And as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.